A little further so the sorry. Oh, I didn't know the awning was. I thought it quit at the edge of the sidewalk. Okay. Bye, honey. Bye.
Hey, what's in my stocking?
Brandy,
Grandma?
where are you?
I'm not home right now, sorry.
I'm at the doorbell.
But I'm not home.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She can't see us.
Grandma.
Surprise.
Alright. Well, I'm not home, so come back later.
What?
I said I'm not home. Come back later.
No, you come back later. I'm going home, sweetheart.
Alright. Bye.
I'm not home. Oh, she's pretending like she's in the house.
Bye. Love you.
Right there with you. She's not. You're goofy.
Summertime, Andrew, when he plays Summer League this year, you have to go to a couple
Bye, honey.
Them lights that shoots all the stuff.
Chicago games where they play up there.
Last night when I took her up, buddy. He's got it inside his house.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Brandy. I love you.
Love you.
See me? Yeah, she can see you. Bye.
Bye. Mom, who's that crazy lady?